dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, my dear Form 3 students. Today I'm going to give you some instructions about the upcoming examinations, which means the third term cycle 2 examinations, which is the last exam. I'm hereby to give you some main information about the exams. Generally, as far as everybody concerns, we used to use when it comes to examination, we used to use the entire contents that we cover from the first term or first cycle in the first term up to the last one. But since there are a number of problems happening, I'm going to change that for this examination. Part of the or most of the in Form 3 contents we cover it in our normal classes, but some of the chapters we cover it through online courses, and there are some two chapters which we cannot cover because of the time. So inshallah we will cover that chapters when we came back to school. Before we start Form 4 classes, we finish that two in chapters, and then we start Form 4 inshallah. Today my instruction is number one, I would like to give you a number of chapters that you are going to focus on them, which I'm going to use as the source of the examination. Number one, as you remember, first chapter was flowering plants. In flowering plants, we learned a number of chapters. So from flowering plants, we're going to use plant structure and function. Plant structure and function, which is the first chapter of Form 3 biology. Number 2, transporting plants. Transport in plants. And number 3, reproduction in plants. Reproduction in plants. So in that unit 1, which is flowering plants, we are going to use these 3: plant structure and function, transporting plants, and reproduction in plants. That 3 you need to focus on these 3 chapters. And unit 2, which is human physiology, we will use a number of systems from this: excretory system, lymphatic system, reproductive system, breathing and skeletal system. So in this unit we covered 7 chapters. So we are just going to use only these, focus only these 5 chapters: the excretory system, the lymphatic system, reproductive system, breathing system, and also the skeletal system. So that's unit 3. Unit 4, unit 3, ecology and ecosystem. Ecology and ecosystem. So in ecology and ecosystem, we are going to use, I think this chapter, unit, there's no chapters but topics. So this chapter unit, we're going to use or focus all the topics, all the topics we cover, all the topics we cover, all the topics we cover. So I want you to focus on these in the topics we cover, which means interrelation between organisms, carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, pyramids, food chain and food webs, and so on. So my dear Form 3 students, inshallah, I hope you good luck. So from today you need to focus on these chapters, and then inshallah the exam will come from these chapters, and I hope you good luck. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.